In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed 3 social media widgets into Google Sites or any site builder. Specifically, we'll be focusing on integrating Facebook, X, and Instagram widgets to enhance your site's interactivity. This process is straightforward and can be achieved within just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Elfsite website. Once you're there, head over to the catalog section where you'll find a plethora of widgets to explore. Now, to find the relevant social media widgets, simply type social into the search bar. This will help narrow down the options to what we're specifically looking for. Once you see the social feed option, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice there are several templates available. Choose the one that resonates most with your website's design and click on continue with this template. This ensures that your chosen template is ready to be customized with your desired social media feeds. Next step, you need to click on Add Source. This is where you'll be able to choose which social media platform feeds you want to display. You'll see options for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Select each of them one by one to include them in your widget. Each edition allows you to tailor the feed to your specific needs. After setting up the sources, it's time to publish your widget. Look for the Publish button and click on it. You'll be presented with different pricing plans. Select the free plan to keep things cost effective for now. Following this, you'll be given an embed code. Click on Copy Code to save this code to your clipboard. Now it's time for the exciting part, embedding your widget into your site. Head over to your Google site or the site builder of your choice. In Google Sites, locate and click on the Embed option in the menu, then select Embed Code from the next set of options. Paste the embed code you've copied earlier into the designated area. Once pasted, click on Next, which will lead you to a preview of your widget within your site builder. Satisfied with how it looks? Great, go ahead and click on Insert. This will finalize the integration of your social media feeds onto your site. And just like that, you've successfully embedded your social media widgets. These additions not only boost your site's interactivity, but also keep your content dynamic and engaging. Make sure to regularly update the feeds and perhaps even customize them further as needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With this simple integration, you're well on your way to making your website more interactive and connected with real-time content from your social media channels. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy site building.